what are some of the, I would say, important skill sets that you believe that, you need to have to be a successful journalist?
1, investigative skills.
Okay.
2, communication skills. 3, writing skills, right? 4, photography skills. 5, editing skills. 6, technical skills.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So we believe in these 6, 7 skills.
Right.
Designing as well.
Designing as well. So could you help me understand what do you mean by technical skills?
Person is well versed with all the softwares. I mean, he can use InDesign for designing a page. He or she should know maybe Adobe Photoshop for cleaning a picture. Editing skills. He should be able to shoot videos. He should be able, or she should be able to edit videos.
Right.
And also editing for print that we focus on. How to write a story, how to edit a story.
How is the industry looking like in terms of the opportunities, the jobs coming in the journalism in the past few years?
So for capable and good students, there is no dearth of jobs, because media and entertainment industry is one of the biggest industries in India. It has reached 2.1 trillion. That's the size of the Indian media and entertainment industry. So you can well imagine that there are big segments where jobs are available, but the nature of the job is changing.
Yeah,
so we need to make the student industry ready in that sense. So we try and do that.
Correct. And are there more number of jobs for Hindi journalists, or they are more for English journalists?
This year we've had a better placement in English journalism.
Okay.
Yeah. But I feel that Hindi journalism is also very important, since all our national channels are in Hindi.
Mm-hmm.
So, that is also very important.
Correct. Also, if you could help us understand that, what are the different career prospects available to these children?
So the person who has, studied English journalism, the scope is endless, because my students, they go for reporting, they go for editing, they go for desk jobs, they go for field jobs, and they also go for corporate communication jobs, since they are trained in communication. They also go for advertising and public relation jobs. I mean, I think 15 of my students have been placed in PR agencies this year.
Oh.
So they also get a good grooming in public relations, advertising, corporate communication. They also study government information systems, so they also work for government media organizations. They also work for think tanks, for policy makers. They work for they study development journalism also. Sometimes they choose to do rural journalism. They work for organizations like, say, Pari, which is a non-profit organization, which is
social organization.
which is focusing on rural journalism.